Can I mix neem oil and Captan fungicide together for my peach tree? And this is from John. Mr. D, we know you love talking about peaches, plums, and nectarines, right?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
So what do you think about the neem oil and the Captan fungicide mixed together?
Yeah, you can. I'm sure it's not a legality issue. I wonder. Obviously, you have given up on the neem oil as a fungicide, which I would have too, and you realize you need to use Captan. If I was going to spray my peach tree with Captan, I would mix an insecticide in there. Because personally, I do not think the neem oil will prevent the plum curculio from attacking your fruit. And I mean, you can try it, and if it works, let me know. I'd sure like to know that.
Right.
But in the Home Orchard Spray Guide, in addition to Captan, they're going to recommend using malathion.
Right.
And instead of neem oil, that's what I would use. Or in addition to neem oil, you may want to add a little malathion too, if it'd make you feel better to have neem oil in there.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.